Today upon a bus I saw a girl with golden hair, and wished I was as fair, when suddenly she rose to leave. I saw her hobble down the aisle. She had one leg and wore a crutch, but as she passed she smiled. Oh God, forgive me when I have two legs, the world is mine. I stopped to buy some candy. The lad who sold it had such charm. I talked with him, he seemed so glad. If I were late, he'd do no harm. And as I left, he said to me, I thank you, you've been so kind. You see, he said, I'm blind. Oh God, forgive me when I have two eyes, the world is I saw a child with eyes of blue. He stood and watched the others play. He did not know what to do. I stopped a moment and then I said, why don't you join the others, dear? He looked ahead without a word, and then I knew he couldn't hear. Oh God, forgive me when I have two ears, the world is mine.
With feet to take me where I go, and eyes to see the sunset glow, with ears to hear what I know. Oh God, forgive me